Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Midjourney prompts inside Notion workflows for brand visuals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where your workflows are organized. Identify the section dedicated to Midjourney prompts. Click on the text block containing the current prompt you wish to update. Highlight the existing prompt text. Press Delete or Backspace to remove the old prompt. Prepare your new Midjourney prompt based on your updated brand visuals. Type or paste the new prompt into the text block. Make sure the new prompt aligns with your brand's tone and visual identity. If applicable, include specific parameters to enhance the prompt's effectiveness. Consider adding tags or links to relevant resources within Notion that may aid in generating visuals. Review the updated prompt for clarity and conciseness. Once satisfied with the changes, click outside the text block to save your edits automatically. Test the new prompt by integrating it into your Midjourney workflow to ensure it produces the desired results. If needed, refine the prompt further based on your testing outcomes. Document any key observations about the new prompt in Notion for future reference. Ensure the updated prompt is easily accessible for all team members involved in your brand's visual production. Repeat this process as needed for any additional prompts within your workflows. Stay consistent with your updates to keep your visuals aligned with evolving brand strategies. Encourage team collaboration by inviting feedback on the new prompts. Finalize any adjustments based on team input for a more cohesive visual experience. Keep the documentation organized for quick access and revisions in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.